All right, so guys, we're down at the river now. Today I'm wearing waders because it's actually been pretty warm like all week, but it's actually like today was like mid 70s, but it's November and it was cold all the other days of the week besides the last couple days. Let's see. Oh, got a bass. Yep. Little small guy, but you know, we'll take him. Not bad for first catch. Yeah, not bad little thing, you know. All right. But yeah, it's been warm the last couple days, you know, but the water's still a little cold, a little frigid. Oh. Got him. Man. Oh, there he goes. Flung right off. These guys are actually pretty violent for how small they are. Nope. Just didn't want to commit. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, this guy's a little feisty. Oh, he's bigger. Oh yeah. There we go. That's what we got. Oh, man. They're just not staying. They did. He came for just a second and then he was gone. All right. Wow. He's just so pissed at me. He just did not want. They are not having it right now, guys. Like they when they came up out of water and realized that it wasn't a fish that they bit into, they were just so pissed that they just released themselves from the hook. All right, come on. Gotta go over here. Stuck on, I don't know, some piece of concrete or something. Trying to get over here without dunking in. Oh, ooh, come on. All right, there we go. Okay. All right. Yep, there we go. All right, guys, what do you think? Arguably the smallest one we've had yet. Man, these are some small fish, but I'd rather be catching small fish than no fish. All right, guys, so my GoPro died when I was on the river, but basically, I'm gonna do the outro here. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if you didn't, let me know why you didn't in the comments, or what you'd like to see from me in future videos. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking towards doing more videos about guns, fishing, camping, and hunting in general. Just seeing where what area you guys like viewing from me the most. And also, go check out my boys. I'm gonna leave their links in the description. It's TTony and Ohio Lip Rippin'. Okay, so you guys got to go in there and in the description and check out their links. Do it for me. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So I'll catch you in the next video. Later.